Chapter 1 Introduction How, When, and Where, Short Notes and Summary from Class 8 Social Science History, Book Our Past 3. What is history about? History is not just about memorizing dates, it's about understanding how things changed over time. It answers questions like: when did tea become popular? How did people travel before trains? How did people get news before newspapers? Next, are dates important in history? In old history books, dates were linked to kings, battles, and important events. Now, history focuses on livelihood, food, markets, social changes, cultural practices, common people, not just rulers. Dates are useful when they help us understand a process or a change. Next, which dates matter and why? Dates become important depending on what we focus on. Example: British historians focused on governor generals like Hastings, Curzon, etc. But now we want to focus on farmers, workers, reformers, so different dates become important. Next, how do we divide history? Periodization. James Mill's periodization divided Indian history into three periods: Hindu, Muslim, British. Problem: it focuses only on religion of rulers, ignores culture, economy, society, and other communities, presents British rule as superior. Better method: historians now divide Indian history into first ancient, second medieval, third modern. But even this has issues because British rule didn't bring freedom, equality, or growth for Indians. So, historians use the term colonial period to describe the time when the British ruled and changed Indian economy, society, and politics. Next, what is colonialism? When one country controls another politically, economically, socially, and culturally. British colonialism in India involved taking over local rulers, forcing farmers to grow export crops, changing social customs and values. Not everyone was affected equally, different people experienced it differently. Next, how do we know about the past? First, official records by British. British kept records of everything: letters, memos, plans, laws, set up record rooms, archives, and museums, believed writing everything down helped with better rule. Second, surveys. British did land, botanical, zoological, archaeological, census surveys, helped them understand land, crops, people, caste, and local culture. Third, other sources, non-official, diaries, travelers' accounts, autobiographies, popular booklets, newspapers, poems, and novels. These give insight into the lives of ordinary people. But it's difficult to find details about tribals, poor, peasants, because many of them did not write. Next, visual sources. Paintings and illustrations from that time show British views. Example: British images often show rebels of 1857 as greedy or violent. Such images need to be analyzed carefully. Last, in summary, history is more than dates, it's about change over time. British histories focused on their rulers, but we now look at Indian society and people. Periods like Hindu or Muslim are not fair. Colonial is a better term for British rule. We learn about the past through official records, surveys, and other writings, but all have their limitations. Understanding the past requires many types of sources and perspectives. Friends, we have completed the short notes and summary from chapter 1, Introduction, How, When, and Where. We have already done the question answers from this chapter. You can find the video link in the description and on the screen. If you like the video, kindly like it and share it with your friends. You can support me with channel membership and super thanks. We will meet in the next video. Thank you for watching.